So you got yourself a Kenworth. The big guy, look at this guy. That's old school. You're not quite sure how to hook up to it. Stay tuned, I'll show you how. Well, we got ourselves a big Kenworth here. It's a little bit old school. Love the colors on this. Take a look at this guy. There we go. Nice truck. Let's check out the rear end. Well, look what we got here. Double frame, painted. But we got this thing right here. I'm gonna put my Pancake LPR hitch on that, and I'm gonna hook up to it right there. It's gonna be a lot easier than putting on my universal frame hitch that I really don't like too much, especially on these double frames. Pain in the butt to get that on there, and you're squeezing the crap out of these, and you're gonna scratch this paint pretty good. So, all right, I'm gonna put my Pancake LPR hitch right there. All right, here we go. So here we go. Pancake hitch. We'll hooked up on that cross member there. Got some Gorilla Tape protecting the paint there. Nice and wedged in over there. Not sure if you can see that or not. It's getting dark out here now. Got my pintle receiver on there. Chains. Trying to keep it off the frame as much as possible. This is tight. This is pretty tight, so it's not going to scratch too much. Bungee's hanging onto it here. Lots of hang on there. Yes, I know my tow bar is on a bit of an angle, but I'm only driving like 10 minutes down the road. All this work for a 10-minute hookup, but I could have put my drops in if I wanted to. I had the room, but I just decided not to because I was being lazy. But anyway, that is how I hooked up my Pancake hitch. Hang on, I'm gonna go to the other side. There we go, that's better. Last shadows. That is how I hooked up my Pancake hitch, my LPR hitch that I came up with, to that cross member here on the Kenworth, so I didn't have to hook up to the double frame. Yeah, see, double frame there. Painted, would have scratched the crap out of it. Didn't want to do that, so protect with duct tape. Protected. And there we go. Like I said, it's a bit of an angle. Could put my drops on there, but I'm only driving 10 minutes down the road, so not a big deal. So there we go. That is how I hooked up my LPR hitch, which is a Pancake type hitch, on the back of this Kenworth on that cross member there. You notice I didn't use my drops. Like I said, I wasn't traveling very far, but when you're using a pintle attachment and you have a pintle hoop on your tow bar, it's okay to be on an angle. You don't have to go too sharp, right? But on an angle like that, you're fine. If you're using a ball type hitch, you want to be as flat as possible, just so you can have as much of your jaws on your ball attachment around the ball. So that's the best way to hook up to that. So like I said, I was just being lazy. I wasn't traveling very far, but that's how I hooked up my LPR hitch, which is a Pancake type hitch. So if you have a Pancake type hitch, you can hook up like that. It might make life a lot easier and simpler than hooking on your pinch hitch onto the back of it. So anyway, thank you for watching. Hopefully on the next truck I could show you how I hook up to that one too, if it's a little bit interesting. And I was going to say good night, but I'll have to say good night for now because it's gotten kind of dark out here. Yep, it's about 8 o'clock at night. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.